So back in the workshop, and it's time to handcraft a carving mallet out of a large block of white oak. You don't want to miss this one, so stick around to the end.
"45 minutes later."
So I've now removed the bulk of the material around the mallet part itself, and I'm just feeling it for weight in my hand. Feels all good, so time to pull out the draw knife and start to get this thing into the desired shape. So after much draw knifing, and no, I'm not actually that fast, you can see the final shape of the mallet is coming together, and now it's just a case of cleaning up around those sharp edges to complete the job. And I am done. So this is a carving mallet or carver's mallet. It's great for using with chisels, hitting chisels, and for accurate blows. That will generally be required by a carver as they move through the angles of what they're sort of working on. There's 1,000 ways you can make these. There's 1,000 different ways or styles you can buy. Different sizes, different weights, depending on timber it's made out of, but this was my interpretation and I think it came up quite well. I'm pretty happy with it. It's got some imperfections on it, which I'm fine with. It never was supposed to be an aesthetic masterpiece, but I just took off sort of some edges on the top and bottom and on the handle, shaped it to what I needed, depending on how it feels in my hand, and yeah, pretty happy with it, actually, really happy with it. So yeah, I hope you like it too, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now. So yeah, it turned out rather well, I think. Just a little linseed oil now, and that will be done. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe for all my future updates.